Welcome to Ask Boomer, the easy way to make AI-powered lesson plans. Get started by adding a class. A class only needs a name, a grade, and a subject. You can change the color of your class by clicking the hat and then picking a color in the box on the top. Click off of it when you're done. You can add additional teachers that you want to share your class with. You can link it to your Google Classroom so that you can post directly to Google Classroom from your lesson plan, or you can link it to standards. Type the state name, followed by the subject, and then finally the grade. By default, your class is set to meet every day. If it only meets on certain days, pick weekly and then select the days that it meets. When you're done, press Done. To edit your lesson plan, simply click on the title area. The lesson plan editor will open on the left. By default, you have an objective, a teacher plan, materials, standards, and notes. Click the pencil next to these to create a new template. You can change the text boxes or add default content if you want. To get help from Ask Boomer, click the Ask Boomer logo. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions, and then the question builder will walk you through it. For example, to have Ask Boomer help you create a lesson plan, click Create or Update a Lesson Plan based on a topic that you provide and press Continue. Review your question and then click Ask Boomer, and it will come up with an answer. You can add this to your lesson plan by clicking Save Response to Lesson Plan. Once you have a lesson, you can ask for other materials, such as a student handout that explains it, a worksheet, an assessment, or a project-based learning activity. If you have a lesson created, you can base it on your current lesson. Before you click Ask Boomer, you can update your question. For example, you could ask it to create an activity that has 4 learning stations. And voila, you get an activity with 4 different stations. If Ask Boomer references a document, you can click Ask Another Question and ask it to create the document for you. In this case, we asked it to create the task cards with fraction subtraction problems on it. Materials such as this can be easily saved to Google Drive by clicking Save Response to Google Drive. After you log into Google, it will create the document and open it in a new tab. When you're done editing your lesson, you can press Save, although it will autosave. You can also click the 3 bars on your lesson for additional options, such as the ability to bump it forward, extend it, bump it backward, or even delete it. To get back to the main menu, click the home screen or click the Actions button and then pick Lesson Plan Home. If you have questions, click the Help icon and don't hesitate to click Ask a Question and type your question. This will create a ticket and someone will get back to you within 48 hours. Thank you.